everyone. Welcome to my vlog. This is for educational purposes. So we're going to bend PVC or the polyvinyl chloride in two ways. So first is gamit tayo nito. We call it the spring. So pasensya na sa background kasi may nagpa-practice ng banda. So back to our topic for this morning. So first is we'll use this spring. No? So una we will have our tools or our equipment. Actually ito at saka may tayong wet na rug and also heater or what we call this heat gun. So pwede tayong gumamit din ng flame, no? Pero si flame kasi may tendency na masusunog yung PVC, no? So we'll start. First is we're going to bend using this spring. So first is papainitin muna natin ito. So siguro 15 minutes. So make sure na equally heated yung PVC natin. So for your own information, there are a lot of types of PVC. May makapal, at the same time, mayroong manipis. So, kung manipis yung PVC nyo, so much better na magamit kayo ng spring para hindi ma-deform at mag-kinks yung ginagawa ng bend. So, this is a 90-degree bend intended for the mock-ups na ginagamit sa assessment center. So, as you can see, susumukin na yung PVC because all the heat na binibigay ng heat gun. So, yes. So, while smooth pa yung PVC natin, so ipapasok natin yung spring. At the same time, gagamitin din natin yung edge ng lamesa para makabuo tayo ng PVC. So, as you can see, mas accurate at mas clean yung 90 degrees bend using spring. So, tapos, punasan po natin ng basa na rug or wet rug. Okay, so ito na yung 90 degrees bend. Next is, bend tayo without using this spring. So, tingnan natin kung alin sa dalawa yung mas okay. So again, we will hit the PVC. bend natin using the edge of the table. So, sa ganitong paraan, you have to be careful kasi mainit yung PVC at the same time. Mag-ingat din tayo kasi madaling mag-kinks yung PVC. So, dapat alam mo kung paano ito pipigilan. So, by pressing smoothly lang dito sa kanyang top. No? At the same time, dapat naka-gloves din ka. Para hindi tayo masaktan. So, wet rock. Punasan natin para matigas yung PVC. Okay? So, as you can see, ito yung ginagamitan lang ng tracing at saka edge ng lamesa. At ito din yung ginagamitan ng spring. So, pariho din sila. Pero, mas